Self-love gives you that armor to turn your back on other people's self-serving energy. All they care about is them. All they care about is their issues. They just come to you and leech off your energy. The love of self will make sure you get order in your life. Self-love will give you the permission to block everything out, lock yourself away, step away from everyone else, and make sure you do what you have to do to get yourself in order. It's the self-love. It's the understanding that you are important. You are the most important person in your life, and you have to do this for you to make sure you can stand up straight and continue to evolve and feel like a man in this modern society where you are under attack. It's the self-love to know, I don't care what's going on with you right now. I need to get myself right. I used to feel like it was selfish. You know, I would always give the ones I care about time, energy I should be using to improve, to progress, to get myself in order. I almost used it as an excuse to stop doing the works I had to do. Self-love, knowing that you are the most important thing in your life. Your health is paramount once you fall in love with yourself. That sounds a bit mad, but literally I had to re-fall in love with myself. The choices I was making and the things I was doing, I had to ask myself, do I love myself? I did, but not enough. And the reason why I didn't love myself enough is because I wasn't performing. I wasn't doing the things I was supposed to do. Once I started to love myself again and started to work on getting my life in order, my finances, my health, getting my spirit in order, my mentality, my way of thinking, my philosophy, my ideology in life. Once I started to work on that, I started to do the things that I was lacking, that was making me feel insecure, that was making me feel like not a man. And that created a better self-image for myself, and also made me fall in love with myself more and deeply. These are things I have never heard before. I had never heard, do you love yourself? Fall in love with yourself. It's literally that, brother. Most of us don't. I had to ask myself, if you loved yourself, why do you drink? If you loved yourself, why do you smoke? If you loved yourself, why are you eating McDonald's? And it's that deep. I tried to fight it for a while. Like, it's only McDonald's. Of course I love myself, of course. But really my actions weren't marrying up to the things I was saying. Loving myself made me get rid of the guilt of not being there for everyone. Because I don't even have enough energy. All my energy needs to be on this, needs to focus on my finances, my physical well-being, my mental health, my spirituality, and getting back to loving the Most High and tapping into the God within me. If He's my Father, I am His Son. Do I not have godly traits? Yes, you do. These are the things I had to work on, and I suggest you work on them, my bro. It's natural. If you're a good person, you want to help others, you want to be there for others, you see yourself as a leader, and you pride yourself in problem solving. Meanwhile, you're not solving your own problems, but okay, it's inside of you. Cool. It's all right to feel like you want to be there, but you must be more selfish instead of selfless, because people will drag you from pillar to post, and especially those that don't deserve your help, don't deserve your guidance or your advice. For you to waste all that energy and dedicate your time to try and problem solve and try and help with issues, for them not to take the advice anyway, stealing from the time and energy you could be using to get yourself in order. Order is paramount. Men thrive on order, logic, rationale. And I was and had none of those. Especially when it came to my own life. I was great when I was doing it for other people because you're taking the bird's eye view, aren't you? You're standing back and you're looking at their situation without emotion. But when it came to myself, that is where I faltered. And it started to get me so aggravated because it was hard for me to implement the advice and the structure and the information and advice I would give to those people instead of taking it myself, thereby transferring my positive energy to them, which leaves me less energy to do what I have to do for oneself. The biggest guilt I felt when it was the children, like the kids need me for this, the kids need me for that, and that is natural, and you cannot just block them out. You cannot put them in a box that you go back to open later. But what you can do is use that guilt as the catalyst. You can use that guilt as an advantage. You can use it as your why. Why do you have to get order in your life? Why do you have to get structure? Why do you have to stop living, experiencing the chaos, frustrating yourself, knowing that you're a person who likes things a particular way, but you're living in the squalor. You're living in the chaos. You're living in the mess. But self-love gives you that armor to turn your back on other people's self-serving energy. All they care about is them. All they care about is their issues. They just come to you and leech off your energy to make themselves feel better, make you agree with their bad planning and bad decision. Self-love will give you permission to say no, give you permission not to answer, give you permission to block people, give you permission to care less. You must care less. Everyone's journey is different. They're on their own journey. Let them find their journey. Don't steal the lesson from them. Loving yourself, your energy and your time is finite. Do not waste it on others. Once you have yourself in order, once you have these areas of your life in order, in check, and you know what you're doing day to day, and your time you spend every day is allocated to achievement, you may find you have an hour here, an hour there. You can actually allocate time to helping others and helping those that you care about. But until you get order, no, not a minute, not a second. Other than your children, your young children, if you have grown children going through it and you've been giving them advice for all these years and they're not listening, they're not listening, put them to the side so you can get yourself in order. Self-love, my brother. Do you love yourself? You have to love yourself. You have to love yourself enough to say, this is enough. You have to love yourself enough to say, I'm not doing that no more. You have to love yourself enough to say, I'm getting my life in order by hook or by crook. I'm going to die trying to get my life in order, because when I walk out on the street, I'm not feeling right. I'm not walking right. I'm not talking right. My energy is off because there's so much chaos behind me. There's so much carnage behind me. There's so many niggling things inside of me that I'm not doing nothing about. And it's just waiting on me, and I'm stuck in a routine and a dogma and a day-to-day. Self-love, my brother. If you're still watching this right now, ask yourself, do I love myself? Then, if the answer is yes, then you ask yourself, do I love myself enough? Do I love myself enough to change? We tend to love others more than ourselves. It's like, I love my kids more than life itself. I love my girl more than anything. I cannot survive if this happens to this person, if this happens to that person. Brother, maybe you don't love yourself enough. Self-love. I used to think it was selfish. I was trying to be selfless. You're trying to be selfless for what? For people to like you? because this is what society says you must do, even though God put you on this earth to walk your journey on your own. Self-love, my brother. Self-love. Once you have self-love, you can give love. Once you have self-love, you can give love to others. All right, my brothers. Happy evolution. Listen. Love yourself. Fall in love in yourself. Fall in love back with yourself. Should I add a caveat? Pause. I'll put a pause in there. But do you love yourself? Not loving on yourself like some of you brothers addicted to jumping on the internet and the hub. Self-love, brother. Do you care about what you put in your body? Do you care about what you put in your mind? Do you care how you care about the legacy you're going to leave? All right, I'll talk at you later, my brothers. You man be good, yeah? Peace.